Hey everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. This is a quick garden helpful hint. So, do you keep getting rat root on your tomatoes or your eggplants? You've done everything that you think you should have done, but if you plant a hot pepper with it, the chemical released from the hot pepper root will help protect your tomato or eggplant from rat root. But something else you could do, always keep your plant watered but don't overwater. So what happens is the fungi that causes the rot is airborne, but once it goes onto the plant, it goes into the roots. People that water from overhead, or if they irrigate and they just soak the plant too much, they're susceptible to this. So check your irrigation, always feed your plants and make sure that they're healthy and strong, and try to plant a hot pepper with your tomato. Will it work? I hope so, but if not, right by my door, I could pick my hot pepper and my tomato for dinner. It's a helpful hint from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Have a great day.